gondola side.
Well, like I said, since everybody's talking about it anyway.
Good.
Oh.
When I first met with Fox, I said, you know, yeah, like we could do a whole TV show about a guy's breath. And they go, well, what kind of TV show is that? They don't understand that this is concept humor. See, that's the problem. You show the stuff in LA and they don't understand.
I think, Howard, that you're really hitting the bottom of the barrel with
With what?
a show that brought to Gary's forever.
Listen, Mom.
I think that you really have hit a low. And Gary is so devoted and so
Looks a lot less technical now.
I've been there for that. I want to do it right here and now.
You have a bucket? Grab this going. Well, that's where you get all the yellow cooling out.
Oh, that one doesn't use the green one?
It's on.
Matt, you have the new gold coolant?
No, I'll use the green.
It's everywhere.
I didn't get the gold. For one, I would have had to order it. And two, I've always used not even the green, I just used the Preston. So it's yellow. That's like Gatorade.
Go, catch that side.
This might have to flush the green.
I think I'm going to have to.
No, you should be fine. We're going to drain the whole block right now.
Oh, you are? Okay.
And it's getting really nasty.
A lot of pretty bad.
It doesn't matter if there's just a little bit of gold going there, because or you're gonna get pretty much all of it off.
Get most of it. Because I'm going to turn the block on its side and it's just going to, like this, it's draining out.
Oh, okay.
I'm not worried about it.
I just heard when you mix coolant, it's bad.
Yeah, but I got the universal shit.
Come to this side.
I think I needed the coolant test.
Oh, that side again. That's nasty coolant. Good catch.
But you're bending over in the picture right behind the engine.
Now with the new hopper from Dish, you can watch live TV on your laptop, tablet, or phone from anywhere.
It's going to take more than that to impress these radio listeners. They've had radio anywhere forever.
You can also access your DVR anywhere.
Keep yapping.
And Dish doesn't charge you more for it.
Bingo!
Only the hopper lets you watch live and recorded TV anywhere without charging you more for it. Call Dish at 1-800-WATCH-TV today. Requires a broadband-connected Sling-enabled DVR. Monthly DVR and receiver fees and other restrictions apply. Call for details. Now here's a good idea.
Tell me how close I'm getting.
Stop. Go up.
Everybody loses themselves.
Don't want to keep going. And
Bam,
fly with a bunch of screaming maniacs that she's taking them up to Australia. And I'm hearing, it sounds like a death sentence. I mean, John Travolta's gonna, he's flying? He's flying them. He's a Qantas airline. She's gonna go with her fans to Australia on this plane. And go visit the Down Under. And he's living with Berserk on the phone. You know?
Well, they said there was going to be some major announcement, so the announcement was that traveling was going for
Yeah, to Australia. And it's like, do it. The only reason Oprah's doing this, she can get a bunch of shows out of it.
You're not.
I don't know. What would you play from that?
I'll hold this. Go stand on the engine hoist.
The last show, because from what I read, Oprah's breaking it. It's probably a smart time to get the hell out of town.
Yeah, a couple hundred pounds.
Kept screaming, we're going to Australia.
This is crazy.
Yeah, keep going.
I wanted to jump out a window.
It's resting on the crossbar now. A little bit more. Stop. Slide it back.
Stabbing themselves.
More?
Oh, that's good. Oh, wait. Down, yeah.
Down?
A little bit, yeah.
These fucking Islamic terrorists hate us. Look at this. Yeah, I hate this right now.
Back. Okay. Up. Just leave it like this.
He cut it off. She wasn't done.
It's the engine angle mod.
Yep.
And then Travolta walks out in his pilot's uniform, and he's screaming, you know. He just stands there. He's like Oprah's best friend. He's like the male Jack King.
But you know what? This reminds me of the Julia Roberts
Yeah.
interview.
That's better.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing is really said.
Stop.
And they
Yeah, stop.
congratulate each other on
Slide it
being
back.
who they are.
Oh, yeah. Here, I'll play the beginning when John Travolta and her congratulate him
Wait, hold on.
on being
You got the harness in the way back here. And fucking Canadians. Let's build shit backwards. Let's build shit.
And Canada fucks us because we can't move the O2 sensors. Or no, California. So if we move the O2 sensors, then it's illegal.
I hate you for. I fucking hate
Small.
you.
Oh yeah, that's
You
right.
can't move the location of the
I
O2
pay-
sensors or the catalytic converters.
I pay 150 for my smog.
Why? See,
So it
it's just
passes.
written off.
Yeah.
It doesn't pass right now.
I don't know why.
See how my pistons look.
Pretty good. Not a clean burn on them, but
No major detonation?
no.
Good, because it was pinging like a motherfucker.
Well, it probably was blowing the spark out.
Probably.
Did you? Were you running factory plugs on it?
No.
Colder ones?
Colder
That's
ones.
probably why.
Why it didn't make a big mess?
Yeah,
Okay.
because they were colder plugs. We were just probably getting some
Man, look at all that coolant in your cylinders. No wonder.
What's the problem
You
here,
take a
man?
picture like that, post it.
It's like, there's my
Yeah,
problem.
What's wrong
And
with
see what
it?
someone's gonna.
Yeah, I should be like, do I have a problem? Should I be worried about this, guys? Is this normal?
Any of the whackers out there know if this is a problem?
Look how green and clean my coolant is, though.
Yeah.
Taking the heads too. It's just
I'm gonna try and sell the heads. We'll see how that goes. I don't know how popular they are,
Spotlight
but
on me?
Oh, here.
somebody that needs What? This one?
yeah. See, I can. Someone's got to move it
Somebody
around.
that just needs heads to replace? Yeah.
Hoping, you know, out in Riverside, it's like, do you have heads?
I got two.
You have cylinder heads?
I got two.
Cylinder heads?
Work on the left end on
I don't know, are you talking about me or the motor? They both have two.
I got two also.
I got some heads I scalped. What?
Say what?
Get that, wrench again? Gonna come over here?
I see the
Use leverage to your advantage.
Oh my god, my motor! What'd you do? I wanted to put that back in.
You can see right through that coolant.
Good shit, Meaner.
Sorry.
There's your tensioner. Yeah, that's cool. Now you don't even have to get the tensioners, too.
Yeah, I probably will have the crappy ones because of the year it is, but
Yeah, the older ones had the better.
Or what they have in stock.
Yeah, but they have sitting on the shelf. Come on, get the loogie out. There we go.
all right.
You got a 5.7 in there, or?
Is that his work truck or?
Yeah. Well, it's his own fault. He never fucking does no work on it. Never maintains it. Surprised it still fucking runs.
Not much
You gonna
longer.
park it on the church parking lot so I can park back in?
Yeah.
Or?
That's what he's doing.
Let me back in here and set him up.
It's like, oh, that's a 5.8
Well, that's what it
with a 5.4 and some performance mods, and he got beat in the quarter mile by a pure stock Crown Victoria.
And we don't like Billy, but I'll tell you right now, he'll be the first one to tell you it's a fucking waste of time.
Wow. That's the only thing it's good for.
Yeah, he'll tell you flat out, no, that's a waste of time. Don't even bother with it.
How did he get beat by a stock one with?
All the weight.
Pounds.
You go like 30 foot-pounds, 60 foot-pounds, and then 90 more degrees.
Okay.
I still got more stuff to take off. But this bitch is heavy.
So, at least 4 of us to bring it in there, just for safety. Or 3 and 1 in the van.
Yeah. Draining still. Sorry.
Not really.
Pissed all over your yard.
Well, honestly, we were gonna pressure wash our driveway, but we're gonna do it after the motor swap and shit's done.
I'm gonna take these motor mounts
fish
off. They're
can
heavy
have
and
it.
they're, you know, sharps.
Okay, I'll hold the motor.
Okay, let me grab that too. Yeah, it's
In the block, so.
here. Pop this back off. What is that?
The
Probably a
flywheel?
14. 13 might work. There's one.
No, that's way too small.
16?
That's a 10.
Oh.
Here. 13.
All this car stuff is more fun when you have people that know why.
If you don't know how to do it.
I get frustrated and I don't really have. I mean, I have patience, but
I mean, I did the intake manifold all by myself without knowing how to do it, without asking for help.
without asking for help, damn.
Well, the only time I asked for help was because I couldn't figure out how to put my belt back on. I didn't know how the tension works.
Once you figured it out, you're like, ah, dummy.
How'd you take it off?
I didn't take it off.
You didn't take it off?
I took the alternator off. It didn't have the tension, so I could just take the belt off.
I got you.
That way.
This is the same on all of them, right?
Yeah, and all that's the same as a Mustang on automatic.
Oh.
You could cut that down to make a manual version, or you could just buy a manual one for Mustang.
Yeah, right. Okay. What are we at now?
That's what you want to take off.
I don't think there's much left. to
Strip
take
it, pull the boat pistons out of the block.
off. No.
Pull the
not
wheel
do
pickup
that.
off. Unless you want to keep
Let's
it.
change out the freeze plugs.
But yeah, the freeze plugs, that would be good.
I'm pretty sure we can hoist it, right?
Yeah.
You want more of us to help you out?
Yeah.
So.
I'm gonna put it down, the valley down.
Okay.
This side
Open the
up
door real
bottom.
quick. Or is it already open?
No, it's not open.
I just wanted to like turn it.
Okay.
So this side down?
That side down.
Okay.
How do you want to do it?
Oh.
You okay?
Alright, that's why I use a rag.
Yeah, I need a rag. Those corners are kind of sharp.
I think the record.
You guys are down, it's gonna be facing the bottom.
Let's tilt it down, pick it up, and like get it up and over, and then we can maneuver it once it's setting on there.
Okay. So where would you like us to grab?
I'll tilt it, Matt grab on that bottom, and this Matt grab on the side. So, ready? Find a nice spot.
Watch your plastic.
Let me get out in position where I can lift. Son of a bitch, I can't get my foot out.
Cheater.
It never works. Back. All right, hold on, let me grab it.
Watch your ankles.
Cool. That works.
I'll tight turns.
It's alright. It's probably already scraped up from my motor.
Let me climb out.
Oh. I wouldn't be worried so much as turns as if someone hits him. Send some of that stuff flying.